Hi, welcome back. This is Shay Alexis. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I know I'm dry faced today, no makeup, no nothing. It's hot. It was a long day. I just came from class. Had a great day in school today. We did yours. Had to get our little salon shit going. Alright. I received my fruity acrylics, like I told y'all. We opened them. I used them. I love it. The colors are very pigmented. It's dark. It's nice. The light colors are bright. You'll see my nails from across the street. I did my nails, but I also, tried to fix them a bit. So some nails are missing color, but that's fine because we're going to work that out. We're going to fix them again because practice makes perfect, right? So, here's my nails. Here's the colors. I pretty much try to use all the colors, but I did not. This little cute design was inspired by a fellow YouTuber. I'm going to try to do that on all the rest of them and see how that comes out. But as you can see, all the colors are pigmented. This is just from some acetone I put on it earlier today, taking off my little designs that I made because I didn't really like it. And I have ordered monomer and regular acrylic powder not too long ago from Me a Secret as well. So I'm about to open that and give you guys a little small unboxing video as well. Okay? So, here's my package. Feels like everything's in here. They found a way to shove it into my mailbox. That was amazing, but my mailbox is quite small. I'm very excited. I need scissors again. I always forget to get my scissors, knowing I can't open this shit with my hand. Oh, got it open. Alright. So what I ordered was monomer powder and I think 3 or 4 acrylics. So we should have the clear one, the white one, and the pink one. Ooh. This packaging is very secure. They want to make sure your stuff do not break, okay? So please. So excited. I love doing nails. I've been messing with my nails for the past 3 days. Trying to become a perfect nail tech. Because, if you do not take time to do it on yourself, you will not perfect your craft, okay? And all the mistakes that I make, I want to make on myself, not on a customer. So I feel like practicing on myself is the best idea. I am getting better though, as you can see. It looks a lot better than my last couple of sets. So we have the monomer, the decent sized bottle from Me a Secret. Okay, it looks exactly how it did in the picture, which is great. Oh, and these are nice size, nice size powder. It's not too small. It's pretty thick, pretty full. I think this is the white one. Yep, the white. Then we have multi-balance pink. I love to see it. It's quite shiny. But this is the pink one. Then we have another pink acrylic. So I think one is lighter pink than the other. See? It's like almost white, and this you can see it's pink. I don't know how to block the light. It's pretty bright in this room. And then we have the clear. So I have 1 clear, 1 white, and 2 pink. And we're going to see how that works. And I love clear acrylic. I like the light pink acrylic because it looks like a little tint. And if you choose to keep your nails clear like these cut these two and use the pink acrylic, it comes out very cute. So yes, we have four. I have four acrylics. Okay, four acrylics, and they're big bottles and monomer. And I spent about, I could say $40 on that whole thing. Just these 5 items. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I have more videos coming with and without makeup. Some days, you know, it's just too hot for that. But I'm going to have a lot more things to show you guys. And I just hope that you guys are staying tuned and watch and enjoy yourselves. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye.